All right, you dirty dogs. God, y'all are dirty. I got another Iraqi dinar evaluation video for you. So, a little bit late, and I actually think I did one on this date, but on July 11th, 2022, the Central Bank of Iraq says no future plan to change the exchange rate. Okay? What I noticed there really is that change exchange rate. But this news comes out on 7/11, and to my date, it's exactly 68 days. Change exchange rate equals 86 and 337. 337 is the 68th prime, and it's 68 days to 9/17. In the news story, they kept saying there's no justification. When I type in no justification, it equals 68, and it's 68 days from 7/11 to 9/17. It also said no future plan to change the exchange rate, and when I split that up, change the exchange rate, it was 68, and no future plan to is my 7/2 date. 9/17 is 7/2 on the 13-month calendar. As you can see here, 9/17, 7/2. 27 is currency. Now, because I kept seeing that 68 and 86, I want to see if there's any other connections. And I noticed when I go, since we were talking about Iraq, from 9/11, 2001 to the date that this news came out is exactly 1,086 weeks and 6 days. Also, 7608 days. Kind of crazy, since we just now showed you a whole bunch of 68s and 86 that line up with this date to the 9/17 date. 10866 608 1086 and 608. Also 9/11 to this date this news came out where they said there's no justification to change the exchange rate. They're really telling you they're going to change the exchange rate in 68 days. Because you see that 20 years, 303 days, or 233, that is the 51st prime. I just did a video on that 51 yesterday. From the time that Iraq became a nation in the modern era, it was 51 years to the time that they changed their exchange rate. And then from that day in 1971 to 2022 is 51 years. And this news, them saying they're not going to change the exchange rate, 20 years, 303 days, 233, 51st prime. Would you look at that? Just look at it. Would you look at it? Would you look at that? And what's crazy is I just put another video out today about the Iraq dinar, and it was a day leaving 137 days left in the year. And when this news came out, it was a day leaving 173 days left in the year. 7/11. Is that crazy? Because I've been showing you how the 317 is the 66 prime, the 137 is the 33rd prime, and right now it's 33 days from today, which is leaving 137 days to that date. And 137 is the 33rd prime. There's that 173. Also, this news came out 2 months and 6 days to that 9/17 date. And 9/17 is the 260th day of the year. So am I crazy, or are you crazy listening to me? Acting like I'm crazy. All right, you dumb dog, that's all you get.